Login failed on Cleo AI Fix. You've opened the Cleo app, ready to check your budget or get some witty money advice, but instead, you're hit with login failed. It's frustrating, but the good news is, this issue is usually easy to fix. Most users get this wrong by assuming it's their password. In reality, it's often a temporary connection or account sync problem that you can fix in just a few steps. First, make sure you're using the latest version of the Cleo app. Outdated apps can't always connect to Cleo secure servers. Go to your app store, check for updates, and install the newest version. Next, test your internet connection. Cleo relies on live API connections to your bank, so if your Wi-Fi is slow or your mobile data is unstable, the login can fail. Try switching to a different network or turning off any things that might be blocking secure traffic. If that doesn't work, clear your app cache or reinstall Cleo. Cached data from previous sessions can sometimes conflict with updated security protocols. Deleting and reinstalling ensures you're starting fresh. Another common reason for failed logins is expired bank authorizations. Cleo connects to banks through secure open banking APIs, and those tokens expire every 90 days. To fix it, go to your Cleo settings, relink your bank account, and authorize the connection again. If you've recently changed your password or phone, wait a few minutes and try again. Cleo system may temporarily restrict logins while verifying your new device for security reasons. Finally, check if Cleo's servers are undergoing maintenance. When that happens, login attempts may fail across all users, but the issue usually resolves itself within a short time. So, if your Cleo AI login keeps failing, don't stress. Update the app, check your connection, and relink your bank if needed. You'll be back to budgeting smarter and laughing at Cleo's money jokes in no time.